How to make a cappuccino coffee from a Miele coffee machine CVA 6401. Now first, check to make sure you have enough water in here and that you already have coffee beans on the inside. Then place a water container and turn on the machine. Every time you turn it on, usually it rinses the water, so you want to have this one under the spout right here. Now set here, empty and replace waste container. This is the waste container right here. It doesn't have much at the moment, so I'm just gonna push it back in for today. You can see it is now rinsing. Okay, next we'll put our milk container in. So push it all the way in. You should hear a small click. Now I'm going to remove the container, water container, and put your cup in. So choose your cup size. You can also move this one up and down like this. So we can move it up and down to fit the cup size. And at the top here, if you want to use the default Miele profile, you can just tap on the cappuccino cup right there, or you can select your own profile. So here you can tap on select profile, and then we go down, press it down, and choose your own profile, and then tap on OK. Next, we select a drink. And now I'm gonna make the milk first. So, heating up. Now it is dispensing the milk. That is way too much milk. So I think the profile has been set incorrectly with this one. And now it is dispensing the espresso, the coffee itself. Just gonna move this one up so you can see. And at any time you like, you can always press the stop button. So just tap on the OK button and that will stop the dispensing. So we'll let it go up a little bit more, and I'm going to tap on the OK button to stop it because that's just too much here. Okay, here you can add in the chocolate powder. And that's it. So that's how you make a cappuccino on the Miele coffee machine.